So today we are going to drill holes in the mask. Actually this mask had holes, but then we kind of took them off. So before you drill any newly painted surface, make sure that you stick masking tape, because this would prevent paint from cracking. So the panels are test fitted right now. Aligning them is pending. So if you notice, these holes don't line up. I have just test fitted this panel as well. They are not lining up, obviously, if you see the gap. So lining up needs to be done, but the seat is awesome. If you see, it has been perfect. I'll take off the rear panels once again for alignment, but as you can see, the bike is almost done. There's nothing more left to do on this. So I forgot to get the yoke for the clutch side when I went there this week. Also, we need to do a small modification in the hub as well, because it's not sitting where it is supposed to sit. Other than that, it is almost done. uh, so I'm hoping that we'll start this bike in a week and then probably start riding it. Update on that bike. um, so after we fill new oil in it, it's not leaking. I need to fix the carburetor on that. I'm thinking of putting the old piston back, um, because that way it was all well. The RXZ works. I just started, took it for a small spin, like in the front of my house, maybe 100-200 meters. uh, it's not riding like it is supposed to ride, but yeah, it runs. So like, you know, I can say that there is some engine noise in that. We'll come to a full detailed update video on that. So as of now, the Shogun, it is almost done. Yep. Another thing that we need to do is we need to give the tachometer for repair. Like every other Shogun, this one also has a broken tacho. We need to fill some petrol in it and check if there is any leak from the petrol tap. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.